This is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. If you're interested in these products, check the links in the description.
In this video, we are talking about corn syrup, specifically the difference between light and dark corn syrup. Corn syrup is a sugar syrup made from corn, you guessed it, the starch part. And it's used in baking for a variety of reasons, and partially that is because it is a really thick, viscous syrup. Yay! Look at it go. And there's two varieties that you'll find popularly on the market. The first being the light, which you can see is almost clear in color. It does have just a slight hint of that off-white yellow to it when you get a lot of it. And it has just a light, sweet flavor that's just like a hint of vanilla. The second is dark corn syrup. And this one you can see has actually just a light kind of, I would call it more of a medium brown color to it, right? It's not super, super dark like molasses, but it does have a little bit of what's called refiner's syrup in it, and that's a product made from molasses. So it has a bit more of a bold, intense flavor to it, and you can use these two flavor differences to your advantage. We use the light in a lot of our candies and other things where we don't want to impart any extra color or too much extra flavor, and things like the dark when we're looking for a little bit more of an intense impactful profile in things like our pecan pie. So they're both useful products to have on hand, and they come in a variety of different sizes, so you can choose one that suits your needs.
If you enjoyed this video and you'd like more about the cake decorating materials and equipment we use, or just some inspirational videos about cake decorating itself, you can follow us on Insta or YouTube at Cake Decorating School. If you'd like to know more about yearly membership and what it entails, you can go to www.cakedecoratingschool.com for more information. And if you're interested in these products, you can check the links in the description.